Mansory offers a complete body kit, extra, for the Bentley GTC, along with newly designed carbon applications throughout the vehicle. The Mansory body kit consists of an additional front bumper and rear diffuser made of carbon fiber. The kit can also be combined with various spoilers for the trunk lid and is completed with a full carbon hood. Various carbon components such as mirror caps are also available. Mansory offers 3 different wheel designs for the Bentley GT/GTC. The wheel designs are available in 2 versions, Black Clossy and Black Diamond. Of course, the interior has also been completely redesigned by Mansory's own saddle shops and meticulously decorated with a special diamond quilting. The seats, trim, and other interior components are lavishly upholstered in this leather, often supplemented with carbon inlays and selectively enhanced. This applies, for example, to the sports steering wheel, the gear lever of the 8-speed automatic transmission, and the center console.